All right, this is Heath Goffney here. That's right, we're with Mr. Dr. Ross at Cypress Animal Clinic in Spring,
Houston, Texas. Actually, it's in Cypress. So I'm Dr. Ross here at Cypress Animal Hospital. Heath came over here and gave us an excellent presentation. You know, I personally want to get one for my home.
Okay.
We have 2 animal hospitals that we're going to get one for. Talked to Dr. Levine as well as Dr. Blue. We want to get 5 units. That's our end goal. But after our meeting we're going to have on Tuesday, I let Heath know, but it cleans everything. You know, you ask me what does it clean? Anything it touches.
What impressed you most about the unit today?
The ability to save time and manpower. You know, you have all these chemicals we use to make sure that we disinfect the hospital to the point where we're not spreading these viruses and different bacteria from animal to animal. You have this particular one unit that does it all. You know, it cleans grout. You can use it on your electrical outputs. You can use it on your X-ray machine, your anesthesia machine. So I like the fact that it's like a Swiss Army knife. You can use it for anything that you want to use it for, and you know, and it's safe. And that's what I like about it. It's safe. Go ahead.
And it's also easy for your staff to use, right?
Absolutely, and it's one of those things that it's not a complicated machine. You know, it looks like it's what 1, 2, 3 buttons on the machine. And
it's actually 1 button.
Is that one?
One, power on and off. The middle button is for the water, and the third button is just power on. 1 button.
So 1 button. I mean, my 7-year-old could work that.
Absolutely.
Machine. And with the light, easy assembly and the weight of the actual gun, it's perfect. I think it's a perfect unit. I think it's something we can benefit here at Cypress Animal Hospital. Talk to my partners.
Beautiful.
We'll get back with you.
All right. Well, hey, we appreciate your time. You want to give them the physical address here?
The address here at Cypress Animal Hospital is 12725 Louetta Road. We also have Cypress at Aldine. That is 440 Aldine Bender.
Beautiful.
Come check us out.
All right. Well, this is Heath signing out. We're killing the vet industry, guys. We're having some fun. And remember, it's easy, it's simple, it's EV.